Welcome to Hua Hin, Thailand. Hua Hin Beach is far from Ratchaburi, Thailand. We are here for one night. And this is my friend, Renz Galupo. Thank you so much.
You sure?
Follow me. And you have to relax. You have to experience the relaxation here in Hua Hin Beach. I think this is expensive, right? But as long as you enjoy your life, you have to experience this one, right? Okay. So welcome, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel.
Sure, you're born.
And here, this is the swimming pool. This is exclusive for us. Thank you for the sponsor. And now we're going back there. You can